Let me be honest with you all. If you're trying to make money online in Nigeria and you're still doing this, you're wasting your time. You're welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Onyi Omura, and here on this channel I create content around how to start and grow a sustainable business online. I go in depth with importation, digital marketing, and different ways of earning money, legit money from the online space. So if videos like this interest you, do well to subscribe to the channel, be a part of this family, and if at any point in this video you feel you're getting value, I will really appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. So let's go back to the video of today. Now, there are some things you're doing online that is seriously affecting you, and that's the reason why you're not making money. Some of you have been trying so hard to make money online, and the money is not forthcoming, and you think, oh, these things they are saying is not working. It is not working, my people. It is working, but if you keep doing what you're doing, you're not going to make that money. And so in this video I'll be sharing with you all 5 costly mistakes you've been making, and these are the things that are hindering you from making money. Number one mistake, the odogu of them all: you're jumping from one hustle to the other, from one online hustle to the other. Today you're doing affiliate marketing. Oh, all of a sudden they are telling you is crypto that is working. You jump onto crypto. Tomorrow you're doing content creation. Next tomorrow you're selling ebooks. You're not even selling, you're trying to put ebooks together. My people, jumping from one hustle to another when you're just trying to start, it's not going to work. It is not working. You're burning data, you're wasting time, you're wasting your effort doing one thing to the other. Why not calm down? Ask yourself, what do I have to offer? You know, one thing with making money online is this: you bring solutions, people will pay you to get that solution. So what exactly are you bringing to the table? What can you do? From your natural self, from the experience you've gathered, from the knowledge you have, what can you do? What is the solution that you can bring to the table? That is where your money is. Not in jumping from one hustle today, tomorrow you are doing another, next tomorrow they tell you, oh, there's one seminar here where we teach you how to. You're jumping, you're paying transport, you're everywhere at the same time. It will not work. Learn to take a step at a time. Mistake number 2 that you're making, and that's the reason why you're not making money online, is waiting for the perfect time. My sister, my brother, you're waiting for the what? For the perfect time. You want to start creating content on YouTube. You're waiting until you have a good studio. Some of you will just sit down and be visioning. I want to have a studio specifically for my content creation. I will decorate it. I will have this type of chair, that type of executive chair. I will have flowers. You don't have the money, you're just starting, You're already waiting for everything to be perfect. I understand that some of you are perfectionists, but please bring it down. Bring it down a bit. Start with what you have. Start exactly where you are. When I started making money online, it was not on YouTube. YouTube was not my first online hustle that paid me. It was me teaching people what I know. That was my first online hustle that paid me. I was teaching people from the knowledge I already have. From my knowledge and my experience, I was teaching people how to sell online. That was the first online hustle that paid me before I now decided to come on YouTube. I did not wait for the perfect time. I did not wait until I was a professional in that skill. No, I had the skill of selling online. I had this skill of teaching people how to run Facebook ads then. And when you can run Facebook ads with as low as 1,000 naira and you will pack orders, you will make a lot of sales. That's the year I started. Do you understand what I'm saying? Start with what you have. Start exactly where you are. that knowledge you have, you think is not enough. Trust me, there are people that are looking for that information. You can decide to package that information as a course and you sell it online. People will pay you for it. People value information these days, especially if it's a problem-solving info. People will pay you for it. If it's content creation, you want to start creating content on YouTube, start with your phone. Some of you are waiting until I have gimbal. I want to have a gimbal. You know, when I'm rotating, it is rotating with me. Do you have 1 point? You don't, right? Why not start with your phone and give yourself time? If you start today and you're consistent, you might be surprised that in the next 6 months, you have your own gimbal. Or in the next 6 months, you have your own studio. Start with what you have and start where you are. That is the game changer. The third mistake that most of you are making is you're always consuming instead of executing. What do I mean by this? You're always watching videos. Today, you're watching video of how to start forex trading, how to start cryptocurrency, how to you are always watching from one video to another, always consuming without executing. See, information is not your problem. You already have the information. Your problem is execution. Execute that thing that you have learned from those videos you've been watching since last year. This is 2026, first quarter 2026. You're still watching videos. You're not settled with what exactly you want to do. What is that hustle you want to start doing? If it's my video you've been watching by now, you should be convinced that this is what I want to do. If it's content creation you want to start doing, I already did you all good by creating a special YouTube channel where I've been posting videos every now and then on how you can start content creation on YouTube. That channel, the 10xpreneur, the name will be on the screen. You can go subscribe to it if you're not subscribed. Start watching videos. We have over 33 videos there that will teach you plainly how to create your YouTube channel, how to start filming, how I usually arrange my tripod, put my phone, every detail you want when it comes to creating content on YouTube. Your thumbnail, your title, how to research topics, every single detail you want is on that channel. That channel is dedicated for people that want to start and grow as content creators on YouTube. The 10xpreneur, go subscribe to it right now and start watching videos. Not today, yeah, watching video ABC, always watching video. My sister, my brother, it is time for you to execute. It is time for you to start. If it's crypto, oh, that's what you want to do, and you've been consuming content, why not give it a trial? Some of you, it is just fear. What if? Let me tell you all something. You need to be a risk taker, especially for those of you that want to go into crypto. If you know you don't have mind, why not do the one that whatever will be, you are not losing that much money. If you start content creation, you're not losing money. How about packaging your knowledge? That thing, I told you guys, that was my first hustle that paid. My first online hustle was me packaging my knowledge as a course, and you know, people paid me for it. That thing you know how to do, people are ready to pay you to learn. People are ready to get that information from you. Are you ready to execute? Package it as a course. If you want me to make a detailed video, I think I've made a video about that before, but let's say you want me to make a detailed video on how you can package your knowledge and sell online, A to Z. I will try. It's going to be a long video, and so I will have to break it into or make it as a series. Do you understand? You let me know in the comments, my people. Start executing instead of always consuming content on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. You're always watching how to. Some of you now, your bedroom is ChatGPT. Your bedroom is ChatGPT. How can I do this? How can I how can I make money? How can I? You're always content. When are you going to execute your own so that I will start watching you? There are information you have that I don't. I want to learn. Go for it. Mistake number 4 that some of you are making is fear of the unknown. Fear of the unknown. Take for instance, some of you want to start content creation, but you're scared. Oh, if I post this video, what will my friends think? What will my family think about it? What would they do? They will be all right. Everybody will be okay last, because at the end of the day, nobody is going to put food on your table. Nobody is going to pay your bill. So everybody will be okay. Just have that at the back of your mind and be audacious. See, be audacious. Do what you want to do, in as much as you know that this thing is something that is legit. It is not something that I'm hiding to do. Do it with your full chest. Be audacious. They will learn to, mind their business. They will not put food on your table. Your friends, those people, if they see my video, maybe it will look cringe, I might sound cliche, and my voice is not. Do it. You see that fear, it is what is keeping you bound. You see that fear, it is what is keeping you where you are up to today. Some of you've even scripted what you want to start doing. You've written them down. But again, the fear overwhelms you. The fear keeps you down again. My sister, my brother, Oni is challenging you today. I am challenging you today. Start. Let me give you guys a backstory. When I wanted to start creating content on YouTube, I told a friend that, CEO, I want to start creating YouTube videos. I just want to start. Then I had my phone and I had a tripod. I told her, I want to start. She was like, nah, Oni, can you do it? People that I know that are doing it, they have this luxury apartments. When they sit down, 6 years ago, they have this luxury apartment that they have lights in their rooms. When they sit down to make videos, everywhere is beautiful. Can you do it? You don't have all of those now. I don't think you should do video. Don't go and start talking. Hey, that was the first discouragement I got, and I was like, yeah, can I do this? But guess what? I summoned courage again. I summoned courage. Immediately everybody left the house that day. I just went. If I see that video, if I can go back, I'm going to leave it on the screen. My very first video on YouTube. I just went in front of my sitting room. I placed my phone camera. I sat in front of the window. No light whatsoever. And I started talking. I think the first video was how to start a business in Nigeria. That's to tell you the passion I have about business. God knows I love I love buying and selling. How to start a business in Nigeria. I started talking. Guess what? I did not just stop. Immediately I posted that video, I shared it everywhere possible. On my Facebook, I shared it. On my WhatsApp group, my school WhatsApp group, I was sharing and sharing. See, at that point, I was like, just watch, let me grow. I don't care. Whatever people think. Some of them that said, oh, you cannot do it. Look at me today. How many subscribers? Over 60,000 of you all on this channel. That means I'm doing something beautiful. So my sister, my brother, shake off that fear, shake off that shyness, shake off that timidity you think you have. You don't have it. It's you that is telling yourself, I am timid, I cannot do it. Shake it off. Do what you ought to do to make money for yourself. Hope this video speaks to you. If you feel offended, that means, yeah, I am doing something okay. I am actually saying the right thing. Start doing. Stop consuming and start creating. Start executing, my people. That is where your breakthrough is. Hope you've gotten value from this video. Now, there are videos I have on the screen. If you want to start content creation, I already tell you, go join my other YouTube channel. Go subscribe, the 10x Planner. The name will be in the caption, and also I'll leave a link for you down in the description of this video. Go follow that channel. Start executing. Watch the first video, how to create your channel, how to create video. Start creating. If it's digital products you want to sell, you want to package your knowledge, let me know in the comments. I'll make a series explaining how you can do all of those. Hope you've gotten value. I know you have. Like this video. I will see you all in my next one. I love you.